Hey everyone, I'm John. Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to cook healthier meals at home, choosing a non-toxic air fryer toaster oven is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. These appliances are designed with safer materials like stainless steel interiors and reduced non-stick coatings, helping you avoid unnecessary chemicals. You can air fry, bake, toast, broil, and reheat all in one device, which makes them perfect for everyday cooking. In today's video, I've picked some of the best non-toxic air fryer toaster ovens that combine performance, safety, and value. First up, we have the BLACK+DECKER air fry toaster oven, which is a great budget-friendly option. This model features a compact stainless steel design and offers multiple cooking functions like air frying, baking, broiling, and toasting. Next, we have the Ninja SP151, which is a more advanced and powerful option. One of its best features is the flip-up design, which helps save counter space when not in use. The third option is the Emeril Lagasse extra-large air fryer toaster oven, which is ideal for families or larger meals. This unit offers a large interior capacity, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once, circulating hot air evenly with convection technology. Now let's talk about the Cuisinart convection air fryer toaster oven, which is one of the most balanced and trusted options. It features a stainless steel body and interior components, making it a safer option compared to many plastic-heavy designs. So those are some of the best non-toxic air fryer toaster ovens you can consider right now. If you're on a budget, the BLACK+DECKER is great. For performance, the Ninja SP151. For families, Emeril Lagasse. For reliability, don't forget, all the product links are in the description below if you want to check current prices or read customer reviews. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.